What's going on, everybody? Austin here, and if you're watching this video, there's a good chance you are interested in the Amazon affiliate program or Amazon Associates. But there's also a good chance that you probably don't know how to get set up with Amazon Associates, what are the best products to sell, and how you're going to promote those products. So for those of you who are new here, go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button for everybody that is here. And in today's video, we're going to go over how you can set up your Amazon Associates program or Amazon Associates account so you can become an affiliate and promote products on Amazon. Yes, that's right. You can promote products that are not even yours, that are listed on the biggest e-commerce platform known as Amazon. So we all know everybody shops on Amazon and everybody can make money on Amazon. So how can you make money on Amazon if you don't have your own product? That's what we're going to talk about today. So again, smash that like button and let's get into this. Take a look at the computer screen, and the very first thing you're going to want to do is get set up with Amazon Associates. So go over to Google and type in Amazon Associates. You can see the very first link is Amazon.com Associate Central. Go ahead and click that, and we'll explain exactly what this is. Amazon Associates is Amazon's affiliate marketing program. So what you do is you sign up. You can join tens of thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers. You recommend products that are on Amazon. You have access to all the products on Amazon, and then you receive a commission. These commissions can be anywhere upwards of 10% depending on the respective category they are in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is sign up. There's two ways to sign up for this. You can click the sign up button right here, and you can sign up directly for the Amazon affiliate program. Or if you do have some sort of social media presence, such as like a Instagram page with a couple hundred or a couple thousand followers, a YouTube channel like you're watching right here. You could also sign up right here for the Amazon influencer program. So this is if you have a YouTube, Instagram, or anything like that, you would click this link. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to click the sign up button right here on the top. And you would just go ahead and go through signing in with your current Amazon account or what have you. It is going to ask you for a website address. If you do not have a website, which I'm assuming you probably don't, then you will still put in your Instagram website address. So go to your Instagram page and then go ahead and grab that URL and put it there again, or your YouTube. But if you do not, and do that even if you don't have a lot of following, you could do that right here. If you have a massive following, I recommend you go into the influencer program, and once we're into the backside, I will show you why. So now I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you the inside. Once you're logged in to your Amazon Associates account, it may take you a couple days to get approved as you submit your application. So go ahead and submit it. You should get approved within hopefully a week. And then once you're in, there's a bunch of tabs right here. We're not going to go through all of them. I'm just going to show you how to get a product. So I'm currently under product links. And you can see right here, I can search for any product. So let's just say I want to search for a Sony A7. It's a camera I record with. I would just click go, right? And here it's going to populate all of the Sony A7 cameras or anything that popped up for that keyword. There's 441 results. And you can see there's different prices. Obviously, you could click the product name and see exactly what all it includes and what listing it is. Or for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show you how to get your link. So the button right here is your get link button. I'm going to click that, right? Once you get your link, once you click it, it's going to bring you to this page right here. And you can build the link exactly how you want to build it. If you're building a website, it's showing you how you could do all kinds of stuff, but we're not going to get into that for this video. You will want to just click right here in the middle where it says text only. And then you want to scroll down and click short link. This gives you a unique link that tracks back to you. So it's a short little link that will direct to that product. So let me just copy this real quick. I'm going to plug it into the browser bar, the URL bar, and you'll see it takes me directly to that product. So now if I was a consumer and I clicked that link somewhere and I made a purchase, then whoever put the link out there, you put the link out there, you would get a commission respective of the category that this product is in at $29.98. So that is how you go about getting your links and going through the products or searching products to get your links to then put out there however you see fit, whether it's on YouTube videos and stuff like that. We're going to talk about that later in this video, but that is how you get your link. And let's jump back real quick to the page. I want to show you one other thing. If you do sign up for the influencer program, you see how I have the you'll have the influencers tab, and then you could click my page or manage my storefront, and then you can see what it looks like. Like I have products on a page. It's almost like a website for me, so I could direct my audience to this page, and they can pick any products they want. But the good thing about Amazon is, even if I just send people to the one link, this link right here, I put the link out there, somebody clicks that link and they come to Amazon, that person will be cookied for 24 hours. So it's a sticky cookie. And what that means is if that person that made it to Amazon decides to purchase any product on Amazon in the next 24 hours, it doesn't even have to be this camera. They can literally go buy a pair of underwear and I will still receive a commission for it. And that is through the cookie, because Amazon will still pay me and they'll still recognize the fact that I brought a customer to their platform. So that is awesome. Now you're probably wondering, well, okay, it sells for $3,000. How much money would I make for listing this product or getting somebody? What is the commission? So let's jump over to the commissions real quick, right here. So here's the commissions for each category. And this is where I'm going to kind of talk about the cons about Amazon and the pros. So you can see right here that the commission rates are 10% at the top, which is luxury beauty, luxury stores, and Amazon coins. And then it drops down to 5%, 4.5%, 4%, 3%, and even lower. So you can see you're not going to make much money as far as, you don't get high commission rates. I'm not saying you can't make much money. You could definitely make good money, because we all know that the pros to Amazon are the fact that everybody shops on Amazon for the most part. The majority, they're the #1 e-commerce platform. They're the biggest person, like they're just huge. They have every product you could possibly want. They cookie your audience, your customers for 24 hours, and you can get commissions in each of the respective categories that the product does fall under. So you can see that PC components, DVDs, but like 2.5%. Electronics are, I believe, 4%. I think I get 4%, somewhere right here. Yeah, 4% probably right here, if not all of the categories for the electronic cameras. And then you can scroll down and see special incomes and stuff like that as well for different things. But again, that is the cons. The cons are the low commission. Pros are the blue ocean full of products. So in comparison to what we normally talk about on this channel, which would be like high ticket products, digital products, info products, stuff like that, where we get like 40 to even 75% commissions. That's what makes this a little less attractive. But the great thing is everybody can start, anybody can start. It's easy to get started. As you saw, you just go to the Amazon Associates tab and you get set up, right? And then you can start promoting products however you see fit. So I like electronics. I like to talk about like my cameras and stuff like that, the stuff I use for my businesses, because the fact I get a decent commission, not the best, but it's one of the best for Amazon products. But my products also cost a lot. You saw the camera was $3,000, right? Where's that at? Yeah, the camera is $29.98. Obviously there's other ones out there. The one I had on my page at the time was like $1,000 or $1,200. So I get a better potential of making that $100 per day or something of that nature. Now you're probably wondering, well, where am I going to put these links, right? You could post them on your Instagram and stuff like that. But what I really like, let's just jump over. I'll show you something. Currently at the time of this video, where you could get a lot of traffic is going to be Instagram Reels and TikTok at the time of this recording. So I'll show you. Let's check this out. Let's jump over to Pinterest. I'm going to show you something on Pinterest. Pinterest, and I'm going to show you top finds online. I think is her name. There's a couple of them, and I think she does pretty well on here. Top finds online. I guess I should have probably already pulled this up. Top finds online. This is her right here. Top finds online, and you can see she gets 3.4 million monthly views. And right now you can see on this page, she is repurposing her content from TikTok. So as you can see, she's also on TikTok, right? But she gets 3.4 million monthly views. But if you take a look, she has a website, right? So here's her website. And you can do this too, even if you don't have a website. You could put your Amazon influencer link page in here. If you don't have an Amazon influencer link where it brings you to the page, you just put one product link. Remember, if they go to Amazon and make any purchase whatsoever, you still receive that commission. But take a look. This brings you to her website, right, where she has some products listed. Well, let's just click one of these products and see where it takes us. And look at that. It takes us to Amazon. So now if I purchase anything on Amazon in the next 24 hours, she's going to receive a commission from anything. So, and you saw she's using Pinterest and she's repurposing her content from TikTok. So that means she's on TikTok. And if she's on TikTok, I'm pretty positive she's repurposing her content from TikTok onto Instagram Reels as well, because obviously she kind of knows what she's doing. But it shows you the potential and the power of how you can syndicate your content, put it on multiple platforms, and all of it is free. You can post videos on YouTube, you can post videos on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. All of it is absolutely free. You can become an affiliate for Amazon, absolutely free, no cost to you, to promote other people's products. You don't even have to have a single product. So I really hope that helps you guys get started with the Amazon Associates. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment down below, like this video, and as always, we do have a training for high ticket affiliate commissions, digital products, stuff like that. My personal favorite, first link in the description. Thanks everybody for being here. If you haven't already, subscribe, smash that like button, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.